Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. I am Asif, your students. We are very welcome once again because we are going to study the new subtopics, division on integers, and chapter number 4, integers, class 6. So students, get ready. So let's take started. Now the subtopic is division on integers. Okay, it's a very simple topic. Now in this topic we will learn how to divide two integers having equal sign or having different signs. Suppose when two integers are divided to each other with the same signs, then we have to divide their values regardless sign and put the positive sign. Okay, now have a look. Suppose 1 is the one integer and another integer is 3. These two integers having the same sign, plus and plus. Now we are going to divide 1 divided by 3. That means 1 by 3. Place the positive sign because both the sign are positive. So here is positive. Now next example, suppose minus 2 or minus 4. Okay, both the same sign, minus minus. Now divide minus 2 by minus 4 and this becomes 2 by 4, here 1 by 2, because minus minus will get cancelled and 2 by 4 and 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. That means hence we will catch the point from here that when two integers are either positive or negative, we have to divide their values regardless the sign and put the positive sign in both the cases. Okay, now the second thing is, now the second point is, suppose when two integers are different signs. Suppose first integer is minus 3 and another is plus 9. Okay, now we are going to divide 9 divided by minus 3. Now we have to divide their values and put the negative sign. Okay, 3 3 ja 9 minus 3. Okay, or either 3 or minus 9, it doesn't matter. Minus 9 by 3. Okay, this is minus 3. That means the answer will be in negative sign. I hope you will get. Now some note point is here. When 0 is divided by any integer, 0 is divided by any integer, say a, gives us 0. You remember, if 0 is divided by any integer, gives us 0. But and 0 could and any integer is not divided by 0. Okay, that means we cannot divide any integer by 0. As example, suppose 2. Suppose 2 is divided by 0. That means 2 by 0. So this is illegal. This is infinity. This is not. This is indeterminate. Okay, this is incorrect. I hope you will understand. If 0 is divided by any integer, so a is not is equal to, here is the, remember a is not is equal to 0. Okay, that means a divided by 0, this is wrong. A is not is equal to 0. Here 0 divided by could be 1, 0 divided by minus 2, 0 divided by minus 3, etc etc. Okay, then the answer is always 0. See the next thing, properties of division on integers. Okay, now first thing is here, suppose a, if a and b are two integers, okay, are two integers, then a divided by b is not necessarily an integer. Okay, why? Let us see the example. Is not necessary an integer. Example, suppose 2 divided by 3. Have a look. So 2 by 3 is not a member of the integer. Okay, now see the next second point. Suppose a is an integer. Okay, a is an integer. A is an integer where a naught is equal to 0. Then a divided by a is equal to 1. That means any integer is divided by the same integer the integer is divided by the same integer is equal to 1, except this integer is not is equal to 0. Example, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, minus 3 divided by minus 3 is equal to 1, and so forth. I hope you will get. Third point is here, if an integer, suppose a is an integer, then a divided by 1 is equal to an integer. Okay, for example, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to minus 4. That means any integer is divided by 1 gives us the same integer. Any integer is divided by 1 gives us the same integer. Okay. Number 4, suppose a is a non-zero integer. Then 0 divided by a is equal to 0, but a divided by 0 is meaningless. Okay, that means a divided by 0 is meaningless, indeterminate. Okay, example, suppose 2 divided by 0 is meaningless, 3 divided by 0 is meaningless, minus 4 divided by 0 is meaningless. This is illegal, this is indeterminate, there is no value of. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now friends, have a look. The next point, fifth, if a, b and c are 3 integers, then a divided by b close divided by c is equal to a divided by b close b divided by c, sorry, is not is equal to. This looks like a associative law. A divided by b close divided by c separate is not is equal to a divided by b divided by c close. This is okay at the value of c is equal to 1. Suppose if we take c is equal to 1, then these two equations are left hand side is equal to right hand side, otherwise it is not equal. Okay, left hand side is not is equal to right hand side if we have to take the value other than c other than 1. Okay, now I hope you will understand. Now you take the example, suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, or c is equal to suppose 4, because a, b, c are the integers, so 2 minus 3 c are the 4 are the integers, and find the value left hand side a divided by b. Okay, where a any 2 divided by c, then divided by 4. Find the value of left hand side, then right hand side, and match. If match, either left hand side is equal to right hand side, and you will get left hand side is not is equal to right hand side. If we take the value of c is equal to 1, whatever the value is a and b doesn't matter, but if the value of c is 1, then this is okay, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. Okay, now friend, see 6th number point, if a, b, c are integers, then a greater than b and a greater than b, then the first says a divided by c close greater than b divided by c if c is positive. Okay, now let us understand this one with the help of example. See friends, here a instead of a is 27, 18 and b. Suppose he is a, b and c is positive. Okay, now see 9 number is the positive. Now have a look. First of all, find a divided by c. This is a, this is b and this is c. Okay, now have a look. Now a divided by 27 divided by 8, 27 divided by 9, because a divided by c, a divided by 9. Okay, this could be written as 27 divided by 9. Okay, and this is 3. Now next b divided by c, so this is the b 18, 18 divided by c 9, this is just 2. So have a look, 3 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, now see second number point, a divided by c less than b divided by c if c is negative. Now we have taken this example, 27 is as a, this is b and this is c. Okay, now a divided by c, first of all find a 27 divided by means 18 means minus 9. Okay, divided by c minus 9, this is equal to 9 3 ja 27 minus 9. Okay, now next b divided by c, here is the b 18 and divided by c is minus 9. Okay, here is the minus 9. 9 2 ja 18. Here is minus. So have a look. Here is the minus 3 is minus 2. This value minus 3 looks like the greater. Numerically value is greater, but it is really less than the 2, because the minus sign, if the numerical value is greater with the minus sign, means the numbers which is looks like the greater in numerically, with the negative sign, the number is should be always less than the other number. That means minus 3 is less than minus 2, because this minus, because here is the minus 3, here is the minus 2. If you look at the number line, suppose check either this is which number is less than the others. Now here is the 0, here is the 1 2 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So have a look first, then from 0 to here the minus 2, then we will catch the minus 3. The numbers which are just nearest to the 0 is greater number, so minus 2 is the just nearest to 0, so minus 2 is greater, and minus 3 is the far away than minus 2 from 0. That means here the minus 2 is greater than minus 3. That means minus 3 is less than minus 2. I hope you will get. So I hope you will understand with the help of example. Okay, you got the point. Now friends, I hope there is no problem in solving a questions of exercise, solving question of exercise 4e. Okay, exercise 4e. So this is your homework, is question number 1 2 and 3. These are very simple questions. You will try. If you have any doubt, contact me or comment in the comment box. Okay, have a nice day.